Namaste. Dear one, today we will learn different point. The thing which I am going to tell you today is not in your syllabus. But of course, it is in your life syllabus. So one thing I would like to ask all of you, do you know what a value is? Every one of us like to be strong, cheerful, obedient, brave, kind and truthful. Each of these qualities become a value and make us better people. Understood, my dear? See, we spend wonderful hours with you in your classes. You learn about these values during school through stories, activities, songs and games. But this year, due to Corona, it is not possible. Today's story is for you to enjoy listening at home. Remember to keep this story with you. I can add more collection when I get time. When we go through these value-based type stories, we will slowly see how these values take root in our heart and help us to bloom in the garden of life. We will learn to love and give, to cheer and share, to hope and wonder, and to grow strong, brave and confident. You will learn all these through stories. Would you like to try? Then begin this exciting journey. I hope it will help you to become a great citizen. Today we will go through one story. Name of our story is Doing Things by Ourselves. As I told all of you in my previous video, before starting our work, we have to do a small prayer. Dear one, for that, sit erect and close your eyes. We will do one small prayer, then start our work. Thank you, God, for this new day in my school to work and pray. Please be with me all the day long in every story, game and song. May all the happy things we do make you, our Father, happy too. After the prayer, I would like to ask some point, my dear. How much do you do on your own? Do you ask your parents or brothers and sisters to help you with everything? Second point is, dear, listen. Try to do some things on your own. It can be fun. First, you can try waking up, brushing your teeth, and put things back in their place on your own. Then try eating, bathing, and packing your books by yourself. My third point is that listen carefully, dear. In the starting or at first, you may not be able to do it well. It does not matter. Keep trying. Slowly, you will be able to do all these things by yourself. It, it will make you feel strong. Next point is very important, my dear. Listen it carefully and understood it. When you do things by yourself, you help your parents and teachers too. Listen again, I am telling you, when you do things by yourself, you help your parents and teachers too. They get some time to do their own work. Think, if they have to help you with every little thing, how will they get any time for their own work? Now, I would like to ask some point. What you have to do your own? Before asking my point, I'm telling you, listen the points carefully and give answer yourself. Point 1. Do you wake up on your own each morning? Point 2. Do you brush your teeth by yourself? Point 3. Do you bath yourself? Fifth, do you eat by yourself? Next, do you pack your books yourself? Above point, you have to understood yourself, give answer to your own. Okay, dear? Today, I will tell you one story. Listen it carefully. Name of our story is Lazy Mina. Dear one, listen it carefully and try to understand your own. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl called Mina. Every day, her mother told her, "You should do your own work to be happy." But lazy Mina did not like to work. One day, she prayed, "Dear God, let all my work get done for you. Then I will not have to work at all." God wanted to teach Mina a lesson. That night, he appeared in her dream and said that her wish was granted. She got up in the morning. Was it a dream or was it real? She got out of bed. In a moment, her bed made itself up. Mina's eyes popped out. There was more to surprise her. In the bathroom, the toothpaste jumped onto her toothbrush. Yes, flew to her teeth and cleaned them. Her homework got done by itself. Her shoes cleaned themselves. Hot water in a bucket stood ready for her bath. Then she realized fun started. The hot water poured itself all over her. She screamed, "Wait! The water is too hot. Let me mix some cold water." But the bucket and water would not listen to her. She ran out of the bathroom. An old torn frock flew at her. She yelled, "I don't want this frock." But it slipped over her head and she was wearing it. Her comb messed up her hair. At breakfast, her mother started at her torn frock. At breakfast, her mother stared at her torn frock and untidy hair. At the table, all the good food got mixed up into messy balls. They flew into her mouth. Her mother thought Meena was being naughty. She told her angrily, "That's enough, Meena." At school, there was more trouble. The pen danced over her book and scribbled all over it. When the teacher saw Meena's book, she was angry. She scolded her. How ashamed Meena felt. At playing time, the swing began to swing Meena's very high. Meena screamed for it to stop, but it was not good. She felt dizzy and fell off the swing. She went home hurt and crying. She remembered her mother telling her, "Do your own work to be happy." She now knew why. If she did not do her own work, she could neither enjoy herself, nor eat, nor dress, nor play properly. That night she prayed very hard. "Dear God, please let me do things by myself. I promise I shall never be lazy again." The next morning, everything was fine. From that day, Meena stopped being a lazy girl. My dear, now you all understood how much important to do things by ourselves. Here we complete our today's point. Dear one, maybe all of you thinking, why today madam says this story? Beta, listen beta, during this corona time, we all felt little laziness. My dear, for that I request all of you, try to understand the story. If you can't, take help of your parents. See my dear, this is not in your book, in your syllabus. I made only for you. Go through it, try to understand it. From today's onward, try all little things and all your own work by yourself. Dear one, at the end of our session, I will give you some tasks. You have to ask yourself which jobs you do your own. Where you taking help of others? My dear, slowly try to do your work your own. Here is one table. We'll go through it. Draw a green star against the job you do your own. First thing, brush your teeth, bath, put on your clothes, comb your hair, wear your socks and shoes, tie shoelaces, eat your food, help to clear up after a meal, pack your bag, do your homework, keep your things tidy. As I told you, you have to think yourself, give answer to you, give answer to yourself. Okay, my dear? Take care, be safe. Namaste.